Hi, this is June from Turning Point Life Investment, and this is your market analysis for July 16th, 2011. Okay, let's take a look at this market here. Last week I mentioned that if the market were to able to break underneath this 133 level, then we can expect a deeper pullback, at least to the moving averages where basically it's stalling right now. Now, if you look in the hourly view, on our website, I mentioned that this is a head and shoulder that formed last week. And usually what happens is when it breaks, you want to do a measured move to get a projected target. Okay, so we'll just estimate from 133 to 135 and a half, that's a 2.5 point move. So you subtract 2.5 points from the breakdown level, and that would bring you to about 130 and a half, which is just about where prices are stalling right now. And you can see there's some pretty good strong support that's being built going into even a smaller time frame, an intraday time frame, especially here at the 130.75 level. Definitely been tested many times, and it's holding. So this means that a lot of buyers are soaking up a lot of the stocks here at this price level around the 131 area. And we got a decent afternoon rally towards the end. So the main thing you want to look for is continuation above today's high. That would tell me that people are starting to jump back into the market, or at least that this pullback we had this week is done. So above Friday's high, most likely come back and retest this 133 area again. There's a few strong resistance that the market needs to conquer before moving higher. Mainly these gaps here between 131 and 134, and now also 134 and a half and 135 and a half. So several or a couple of gap layers, but nonetheless they provide some pretty strong resistance for this market. So I would use those levels as potential levels to take some profit if you go long. Now on the other hand, if the market happens to break down and underneath this support, then we can easily come back to 130 to retest this previous support area. So we'll see what happens next week, but all in all, I think the market's showing some resilience and showing some buying pressure come in. We just need to see some confirmation next week. Also, one last thing I want to say is that we have our free webinar on August 6, 2011. It's a few weeks away, but seating is limited, and we had such a great time. We had a lot of great questions from our attendees last webinar. I'll post a link on the bottom or on the info part of this website, and just go ahead and register. Like I said, it's a free webinar. We'll talk about the market in depth and also a few stocks that we're looking at. So go ahead and register early right now.